How to make a funnel. It is too much easy and simple to make a funnel using your wastage Coca-Cola bottles. Maybe there are lots of wastage bottles available inside your kitchen or inside your home. In that case, you can use those kind of wastage bottle as a funnel. So in this video, I'll show you the trick or life hack to make a amazing type of the temporary funnel. So if you want to know how to make a funnel at home, then you can watch this video until the last. Hello everyone, welcome back to in my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press in the bell icon. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a funnel using this kind of wastage bottle. So you can use the Coca-Cola bottle also, but in this time I'm using the Mountain Dew bottle. Okay, so first of all you need this kind of blade, okay, and you can cut this one. So I'm just cutting from this side. Okay, yeah, so you have to cut it very slowly. Okay, okay guys, so just wait for a moment. There is few water, so that's why maybe it will give me problem. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it again. I'm going to cutting this one. Yeah, now finally, so I prepare a funnel. So now you can see, so I can use this one as a funnel. Okay, so you have to use in this way. Okay, so you can put your any kind of desired thing. So you can put the diesel, you can put the petrol inside your vehicle or something else. So you can use your wastage bottles as a funnel. So hoping that you get few ideas. That's it. Hoping that you get few ideas about the funnel. So if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections, and please give me a like. It will give me some motivation to make me more videos on this YouTube channel, and I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.